Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Get Coded with Lakshay. In the last video, I took a quiz to check that how much you understand web development. Today, we will make an chatbot on Dialogflow. I also made a video that how you can put a chatbot in Thunkable last time. So if you have not watched that video, so the link is in the description box. Check out and see that also. So let's start. So let's start making the chatbot. So you can see the name of the chatbot here. There I have made 3 chatbots and when there's a name create new agent. When you will click it, this will be visible. So you have to put the agent name like I am putting Lakshay again. Then you have to choose the time according to your country. And if you are living in India, you have to choose GMT plus 5:30 Asia Colombo. And then you have to click set as mega agent and then click on create. I am not creating a new chatbot because I already created a chatbot named Lakshay. So let's start making its things. And one thing please be remembering that you have to save all the things. If you have not saved one single thing, then your whole work will not be there. Means, if you have not clicked on save, it will not be saved, and when you will live test, it will not be there. So let's start. In the chatbot, when you will scroll down, here's a small talk. In this small talk, there are some options here like about agent, courtesy, emotions, like that. So in this there are questions. So you can see that who are you, how old are you are annoying, answer my question. You can answer all of these questions, and when you will answer these all questions, this will be saved in the chatbot. Now there is an option intents. You can make different types of intents. So this is a default welcome intent. In this, when you will say these words, means when the user will say these words like namaste, just going to say hi, hey, hello, how, howdy, hey there, like that. When anyone will say this, so he will respond this. Namaste, how can I help you? I am Lakshay's assistant. I will help you with any information. If you are making your chatbot, you have to just change its text. And here also, you can add any user expression. Like this, you have to click. You have to make more intents and feed to train your chatbot. Now we will go in default fallback intent. In this, if the user doesn't know the answer, so it will say these things. Any of these one thing. That sorry, could you say that again? Because we have not trained this chatbot for this. Like when I will say like write anything and send. So it's I missed what you said, what was that? Here it is. I missed what you said, what was that? So you can see that this is a default fallback intent. Now I have made some more intents such as book, color, food and music for different topics like what is your favorite song, what is your favorite food, what is your favorite color and what is your favorite book. So you can click on create intent and you can keep the name of the intent. Like now I am writing hobby and you have to click on save. Then this intent will be created. You can see hobby. Now add user expression. So we can write that what is your hobby. You can write multiple expressions because the user can ask the question in any way. I am writing here one only just to show you. Then we will write the response. We will write that my hobbies are, and then what are your hobbies. You can write your hobbies, any hobby you like. Then we will click on save again. So now this is saved. So now you can live test here. I will write that what is your hobby. So it's showing that my hobbies are the underscore and underscore and underscore. So like this you can create more intents and add your information. And in chatbot there is not any barrier of time. That means if someone wants to talk to chatbot early morning, it can chat the chatbot early morning also, late night also, afternoon also, and morning also. Means this chatbot will be available 24/7. Like if in WhatsApp when someone messages, so the person don't know that when we are online and when we are offline, but this chatbot is always online. So if someone wants to ask about you, or if you are making any other chatbot, like I'm chatbot on Einstein, so you can make that, which will be 24/7 available. So like this you can create more intents and fill up the small talk. Now if you want to send this chatbot to any of your relatives, any of your friends, or anyone, so what you have to do, you have to go in integrations. You can see integrations, then you have to scroll down. This is a web demo. So when you will create the new chatbot, this will be off. You have to turn it on, and then this will be visible. So this is the link on which you can see your chatbot. So what I will do, that from here, this is the link. I will copy it. You don't have to copy these double inverted commas or anything else. Just copy the link by Ctrl+C, and here open a new tab, then Ctrl+V, then copy the chatbot link, and when you will open it, this will be visible. Can write hello, and then it will show you the output. So like when I will write here, what is your favorite color? I also made an intent for color, so I like color green. So I also made an intent of hobby, that what is your hobby? So my hobbies are, then your hobbies. And if you want to put this chatbot in Thunkable and have that Thunkable app, so I have already told you how you can put the chatbot in Thunkable. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and relatives, also subscribe my channel, and if you have made, and do not forget to click the bell icon. And if you have made this chatbot, then please send the link of the chatbot in the description box, and I will surely see it and tell you that how did I like it. Till then, bye bye.